Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to All Things Hockey. And today, we have the final installment to our latest order from Seal City, and that is a Series 1 box, and it's retail. I figured I'll see the difference between retail and hobby. I know that there is a slight difference. I'm just wondering which one is worth more. Or well, worth buying. I know that there's less inserts, I believe, in this. It's either less or more. I know that sounds dumb, but I was never one to really collect these types just because there's you're not guaranteed autos or jersey cards, and that's one of the main reasons I like collecting. But regardless, we're gonna get into this. Obviously, we're hoping for the Lafreniere Young Guns, which is not guaranteed whatsoever, but that is the gamble. And of course, it's going to be impossible to get into these, so it seems to be the theme recently. But we're going to start off with Adrian Kempe. Oh, and I forgot that these are the harder ones to read. Marino, Riley Smith, Zuccarello, Connor Brown, Yanni Gord, Colin Miller, Jonathan Toews. So that is an all-base pack. Hopefully it's not going to be like that throughout, because that would suck. UC Saros, John Tavares, fallen while shooting. Oh, it's going to be all sideways. John Gibson, David Perron, John Carlson, Alex Killorn, Mike Riley, Oliver Bjorkstrand. So I'm going to take a wild guess that on retail, you barely get any inserts. Because I know when I opened the hobby, there were inserts in most of the packs. But really only here for the Young Guns. And it's really not looking up. Darnell Nurse, Kerfoot, Kadri, Ehlers, Panarin, Abdelkader, Stamkos, and Hornquist. Well, at least we know the difference. I just hope that, this is pretty useless. Scheifele, Kane, Shesterkin, Moore, Binnington, Carlo, a checklist of Pastrnak and Ovechkin, so at least there's that. Tanner Pearson. Oh, what is that, 4 packs in? Nothing? And they're impossible to open? I don't mean to complain, but I mean, come on. Anisimov, Coleman, Johansson, Andrei Vasilevsky portrait. That's not a Young Guns, but Samsonov, the terrible goalie, Palmieri, JT Miller, Zibanejad. I mean, I am supposed to get Young Guns in here, no? They're 1 in 48? Oh no, 1 in 4. So where are my Young Guns at? Alright. Brock Besser, Alex Tuck, Victor Hedman, Bobby Ryan, Ovechkin portraits, Parise, Malkin, Hamilton. So far nothing, and we're like 6 or 7 packs in. So much for 1 in 4 for these Young Guns. Dylan Strome, Adam Fox, Tyler Seguin, Braden Point. Alright, Philip Kurashev Young Guns, at least there's one. Corners don't look too bad, which I know is a reoccurring theme, but there's one. Better than none. Radulov, Blake Lizotte, and Anders Lee. Obviously, we're looking for that Lafreniere, but one is better than none, like I said. McKinnon, Vlasic, Bergeron. I saw that Alex. Dang. Alex, what is it? Belzile? Young Guns. Boone Jenner. Ryan Sutter. McAvoy. And Saad. At least I've gotten 2 that I didn't get from my previous opening, which I was a little worried about. Obviously, you don't want to get doubles, especially if they're players that you don't care about. Gensel, Ovechkin, Gusev, a UD canvas of Jeff Skinner with his shadow, Wenberg, Nikas, Petrie, and Manson. All right. So far 2. We should be getting 6. So hopefully we are still going to get 4 more. A Nathan McKinnon and Panarin checklist right at the start. That's a little weird. Tyler Myers, Fiala, Letang, Ben Bishop canvas from the Winter Classic. I love those jerseys. Tatar, Sanheim, I almost said Shanahan, and Backlund. I love UD canvases, so I'm not going to complain, but I would much rather have a Young Gun or a Young Gun canvas. Seriously, with these packs? Jeez. Quinn Hughes in the Vintage Alternates. Trouba. Pavelski. Iafallo. Hutton. Pionk. Eberle. Carlson. So that's another base pack. Better be getting these 4 more Young Guns soon, or else I'm going to be a little upset. Tkachuk. We're going to do this again. Foligno. Spurgeon. Oh, Leon Draisaitl, UD game jersey. I don't think you're even supposed to get these in these, or at least guaranteed. So that's pretty nice. At least I got a game jersey. Finishing off with Barkov and Konechny. I'm actually curious if it says anything about 1 in 24. Okay, so technically, yeah, you are supposed to get one. I thought you weren't supposed to get those in retail. Coyle, Murphy, Suzuki, Provorov, James Neal, Drouin, D'Angelo, and Yarn Croc. Come on, we've got a good bit left, but still only 2 Young Guns, and we still can't get these freaking packs open properly. Another base pack. Fantastic. Clefbaum, Raquel, Weber, Bobrovsky, Doughty, Hannafin, Hart, and Dvorak. I mean, I doubt you guys even want to see base cards. I know what you guys are here for, and it is not the base cards. All right, we got one in here. Ristolainen, Akiari, Kevin Hayes, Connor McDavid. Oh, Lafreniere and Kravtsov checklist. I wonder if that's worth anything, because it's got Lafreniere on it. I'm gonna guess no, but that's still kind of cool. Still got Lafreniere. I'll have to look up that. Ben Bishop, Riddick, and Wood. I wonder if that counts as a Young Gun too. I'm gonna guess yeah, but come on. Comfer, Kessel, Hurdle, Ty Dellandrea Young Guns. Nothing good. It's gonna be another one of these. That's 4 out of 6. Pajot, Zaitsev, Eller, and Riley. I mean, you can't go into it expecting a Lafreniere, but at the same time, when you get everything but a Lafreniere, it's a little annoying. Deneau, Varlamov, Grimaldi, Brock Nelson, UD Portraits, Nielsen, Grubauer, Kapanen, and Lindell. Okay. Well, we've got, I think 7 packs left. Trying not to take too long on this, but these packs aren't exactly easy to open. Ryan Ellis, Tuukka Rask, Jeff Carter, Sean Couturier, Liam Foudy, Vetrano, Schmidt, and Goligoski. All right, well, let's get these last 6 packs out. Toss the box to the side. All right, so in here, there's supposed to be 2 more Young Guns. That means 2 more chances at Lafreniere, which also means 2 more chances at disappointment. But, like I said, can't go into this expecting a Lafreniere, but it'd be nice. Werenski, Lindholm, PK Subban, a Patrick Kane Dazzlers, TJ Oshie, Thomas, O'Reilly, and Kopitar. 5 more. Maybe it'll be in the bottom 3 since we usually have good luck in the bottom 3. Dylan Larkin, Gerard, Klingberg, Zach Hyman, Philip Deneau canvas, giving a puck to a kid, Tanev, Stone, and Stalock. All right, we got 4 left. Move this stack over. I'm really curious if that checklist is actually worth anything, but probably not. All right, we got one in here. Dmitry Orlov, Braden Shen, Colton Parayko, Kravtsov. Damn. All right. Yamamoto, Mitch Marner, Landeskog, and Morrissey. All right. 3 packs left. Technically, 1 more chance at a Young Gun, unless that checklist doesn't count, but it probably does, because that's my luck. Dylan Dubé, Chikrin, Brock Nelson, Colin White, Cassian, Doc, Butcher, and Demko. So nothing in that one. Not looking like these bottom 3 have luck. Unless this last one does, after this one. Nick Dowd, William Nylander, Keith Yandel, Austin Matthews canvas, Hainan, Sanford, Wheeler, Meyer. All right. This is our last shot at Lafreniere. If there isn't a Young Guns in this, I will be severely disappointed. But, like I said, that's how my luck goes. All right. We do have a Young Guns in here. Martinez, Garland, Zadina, Teravainen, and not a Lafreniere, Olivo. Well, I mean, unless this is worth anything, then it is what it is. That's the gamble. If you enjoyed watching this, just let me know in the comments. I'm hoping to be opening more of these soon. Probably just going to keep going with retail since it's cheaper, and I really don't care about the inserts other than the Young Guns. That being said, hit that subscribe button, and you'll be entered into our giveaways. Head over to my Instagram at ATHYouTube, and you will be entered into that giveaway if you hit follow. And that being said, thank you for joining us. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.